here at Pueblo Community College, our hearts are full of love. Our hearts are full of love for each other, for our students, and for our community. And during the Christmas time, our hearts spill over that love. And so it's just so special that we're able to come together this evening to officially light our Christmas tree, to light the campus, and hopefully all of you and our community enjoy this special gift to you. And this year, we have 17 sponsors that have come together to make sure that Miracle on Orman Avenue is really something for us to remember. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!